I'm Mickey Walker with X-Power, and I'm here this morning to talk about our X47 ATR, the largest one of our lineup of Axial fans in our professional series of Axial fans. I'm going to talk about this one today. This has a whopping 3600 CFM and draws just a mere 2.8 amps. It's got a high torque sealed motor and deep fan blade design that makes the X47 ATR one of the quietest, high-performing fans on the market anywhere today. It's got daisy chain capabilities with a duplex daisy chain on it, which allows me to plug 1 or 2 units into this so that only 1 unit out of those 4 has to find an outlet. It's stackable, the stand's included. It's got a variable speed motor. It's got an independent circuit breaker on it, as well as a timer. Should you find yourself in a situation where you want a fan or 2 to shut off in 2 or 3 hours, you can use the timer. It stacks real well, and if you notice, with the stand, which by the way is standard equipment, with this stand I can rock the fan forward and get the airflow right on the floor, which allows it to put more moisture in the air. If you're in water damage restoration, helps your dehumidifiers get more air, more water out of the air. This fan is the highest performing fan in our line, and you'll find it at www.xpower.com.